Now coming to this bibliography management part, let's look at the bibliography management. Biblio means books or related to books or books. Related to books means there are articles, there are journals, or there are different content which you need to refer in your writing, which is not present inside the document itself. Okay. So this can be a book, a thesis, a presentation, a report, an article by you or someone else. So can be added in the document by different ways, which I have shown you. That is by way of the bib file. There is a way also by using the text file, that you will see in bibliography management by using LaTeX. Coming to the topic which is related to Mendeley. So what is Mendeley first? Mendeley is a referencing management software. Why you need it? Because if you look at this document which you have created here, or which I have created here, or which we will create in LaTeX, there is, as I said, there are two ways, by using bib file or by using text file. So if you look at the bib file here, the bib file looks like this. These are the metadata of the articles. This is the article, okay, name of the title, sorry, this is the title of the article, and the author, book title, the page number, year, volume, these informations you need to cite a particular reference or particular article in your document. And this can be a proceeding article, a book article, or a journal article, whatever it is. Okay, so you have to create this list. If you look at the list, just for an example, if you see the length of the article of this page of this bib file is almost more than 2000 lines are there, and creating this 2000 line of text manually is very much difficult. It is not impossible, but it is very much difficult when you are writing a article from the beginning, one by one, creating it and referencing it is a very tedious job. Different suggestions are available, different helps are available in this domain, and one such help is you can get by using Mendeley, or there are many other software. I will name few like Jotero and EndNote. Okay, so basically we will see how Mendeley is used here, how Mendeley is handled, and so all the systems have their own pros or advantages and disadvantages they come with. So you decide your requirement and you decide which one is good. So Mendeley is designed to help you achieve three main goals, that is organizing your references. So when you are writing a document, either in any form, either in LaTeX or in Word, whatever it is, organizing your reference, as I said, is very difficult job. But how to manage those references or those articles in a better way so that it helps you to read, it helps you to collect information from them, it helps you to remember collected information from them. So in this Mendeley or any kind of this kind of reference management software does not only help you in organizing the references, but it also helps you to gather knowledge. It helps you to remember knowledge from those articles. Okay, so how that you will see. Collaborating with others, that if you have a group of researchers or group of person writing that particular book or writing a particular article, then how you can collaborate when you are writing, that kind of features are also available here. Discovering new research, that is also available here. By handling this, you can also, as I said, handling information, remembering information is easier by using this kind of reference management softwares. So if handling information and remembering information is easier, then discovering new information is also much easier by this kind of tools. So it also helps you annotating your PDF files, organizing your reference library, how we will see by hand with a demonstration, practical demonstration, that how you can annotate a PDF file, how you can organize your reference in a library, in a folder, in a subfolder, in a groups, all these things by using Mendeley. So it is a free software. As I said that many other softwares are available, but Zotero and Mendeley are widely used, and there are many other better softwares are also available, but though many of them are licensed, you have to pay for that. So how we can actually use Mendeley, that we will see next. So go to this mendeley.com. So if you write Mendeley in Google search, then you will get this mendeley.com. Okay, so I will request you to go to this website. Okay, so this is the Mendeley website. You go there and you can search different articles and their corresponding information. My suggestion is to create an account first, okay, before downloading. So don't just download it blindly. Create your own account. So creating your account consists of several basic steps. Say for example, I am writing my some other mail ID. Okay, I am creating this account here. Now it asks you to register first. So give your name. Write your name here and any password which you prefer, and then you click this register button. Once you click this register button, it will come to this welcome page, and when you click this continue button, it will come inside the Mendeley account. Now the same page you have seen earlier when you were not logged in. Now see, after this you can see download reference Mendeley reference manager. So if you want to download this for your desktop or laptop or your own system, you click this button or the link given in the welcome page. It will come to this download for your system. If it is a Windows system, you use your own download button, and it will show you that whether download Mac, download Windows, it will automatically fetch the information. We don't have to worry about this. Coming to this account page, click on your name. You have different options like settings, privacy, and all. I'm not going here, but going to this library button. Click in this library. This is the main place where you have to play with this Mendeley. Okay, so this is the place where we will play for the rest of the lecture. What is this? Where in this place or in this page, you will find all your references, whatever you have included, all your articles which are publicly available or you have uploaded in your Mendeley account. So before going into this, let's have a little bit of more information about Mendeley. So hopefully you have created your own account. If not, please go ahead and download your Mendeley desktop. So this is completely free to do. So you will need a Mendeley account to log into the different versions of the softwares. Once you have created your own account, you will be prompted to download the appropriate version of Mendeley desktop for your current machine, as I shown you earlier. Now it allows you to build, maintain, and order your personal library. So that means this is your library where you say welcome to Mendeley library. So where in this library, whatever you add, whatever the article you want to include, everything is available here in under this all references tab. It also allows you to access reading and writing functions. So when I will add some document or when I will go to my own account, then you will see there are different features that are available in the left hand side and right hand side. But for the library is in between the search and in your name, like search and Kartik Chandra Mondal. Here my name is displayed. So between these two links, you can find a library link. You click this library link and it will directly go to your library. At the beginning, you will have an empty library. Okay, as you upload the documents, I will show you how you can upload it and all, where you will see many articles are already available in this library. So, and this is synced. See, if you look at this is synced with my desktop version of the Mendeley, which is already installed in my system. So, and these documents are also available there. These informations are also available there. So whenever you add any document in the web browser, it will automatically sync to your desktop account or desktop system. Or if you add a document in the desktop version, it will automatically add to your web account or in your web browser. Now see this in this portion of this page, you have this dots and these stars. These dots signifies that these articles are loaded into your library, but you have not read it. And these stars, if you click them, they will be marked, and it says that this is your favorite reference, or this is an important reference. Favorite in the sense it is your important reference. For reading and writing, this is for reading, that it is out of this so many documents I have just uploaded in my in this Mendeley. Now, if you look at the end, just click any of these. So you can see whether these files are available here or not. If I click this one, see this file button is not available, where you have to click to see the file, because it is only the metadata is loaded here for handling the bibliographic information. Now, if you look at this, the bottom of the page, so probably this will open. Let's see. Yeah. So conclusion, if you click it, so this one. So see, the document is now you can view in this place. You don't have to go to your folder. You don't have to find that particular article. You can have it in your library, and then you can read it. If I search this one here, you can see the dot is missing from this place now, because you have already opened this. So which one is opened, which one is either read or not, all you can, and you can find the same thing in the recently read place. See, if you don't want to search it, and if you just read some document and you want to see that how many documents you have read last 30 days, that is available in the recently add place. And all the documents with all the metadata you have added for the last 30 days, that are available here. So all those documents whichever I have added here in this account are not from the last 30 days activity. They are older document. And here I have just opened one document recently, so you can find it here. This will help you to handle the documents or handle your reading or managing information in a better way, instead of opening the same document in your folder. Okay, so this is one feature which you can see in Mendeley for reading and writing. For reading and writing, there is a notebook option is available here. If you click this, see the notebook portion will open, and here you can click click this new notebook, and then you can write your notes. Okay, like this, and you can go back to all pages, and the note is written here. So let's look at this add new button first. Since if you want to see all these options, you have to add a document, right? So let's click in this add new button, and there are several options available. So how you can add things in this library? Manually you can add them, like manually you write the metadata from the source or from the web page, from the Google or Google search, or wherever you have this information. You manually type it in the library and add them. Use an identifier. That means there are different numbers are available in the for a particular document. You can use that identifier, and you can use this in your library to search it online, and the information available in online or internet will be fetched and will be added into your library. Use the Mendeley web importer that I will show you by the plugin button of your browser, and upload a PDF file. If you have a PDF file in your desktop, you can directly upload it. So let's look one by one. First, manually add them. So how you can manually add them? Click this add new button. There is a link called add entry manually. Okay. Now, say for example, So you click this any article, whatever you want to add in your library, you open it as per your understanding. You can copy this information. Ignore this identifier. I am coming this reference type. So this is a journal article. So journal article. There are several other types. You can write it here, or you can choose it. If it is a newspaper article, you can choose newspaper article, and the corresponding fields will be given. So these options change with the reference type. So if it is a conference proceeding, the type of information you have to enter changes. If it is a thesis, the corresponding information which you have to enter changes. So my one is a journal article. Journal article of this published in this journal. Okay, so I will enter all this information manually. Okay, so again the author, name of the author, I will copy it. It is a very difficult job, but sometimes you have to use it also. If it is not available online in online mode, you need to include them in your library manually. Name of the journal, since it is available, there are many other ways of adding this. I will show you this one by one. So this one and different years and all these things, you use them and click the add entry button and it will be added. So recently added document, see, privatization of Indian Rail, privatization of Indian Railway Services, the story is present here, but there is no text, no PDF is available. But the same document, if you or there is a site called PubMed. You click on this PubMed there are many other indexing articles are available by different publishers. The PubMed is one such place where you have IDs for each of the articles published by them. Okay, so for example, I'm clicking this one. Okay, so randomly I clicked it, and here you can see a number is available, PMID, that is PubMed ID. You click this ID and you want to add this article in your library. So you click this, you go to add new, and then click enter manually, and then paste ID number, okay, PubMed ID number, and click on this search button. See, it will take some time and will automatically fetch the information from the place. So yeah, see the journal type, the name of the article, title, the author name in a better way. The metadata fetched from that article in a better represented way in this field. You don't need to enter them manually. See, all these fields are filled with values. And then you enter, click entry, add entry button, and the article will be entered into this library. Recently added list, you can click the recently added place to find out the recently added documents. If you have a lot of document here, then finding out those recently added, you have sorting tab added and all. You can click them to find out the recently added document. If you want to sort them in some other way, you can use them so that these articles present in your library gets sorted by that particular information. In this case, if you look at this add new button, if you click add entry manually, archive ID, there are open repositories are available where if you upload your document, the IDs are assigned to your document. Those IDs you can copy and you can use them. DOI can be used. So let's use DOI for another article. So there is PubMed ID is also available and DOI is also available. So I'm copying this DOI. And pasting it here and search it. See, all the information present in that particular article, DOI article, is easily copied into the fields and present here in these entries. And now you click add entry, the article will be added very easily. And see, immediately the sync button, I don't know whether you have noticed it or not. Next time when I will add a document, immediately you look at this place, okay, in this place where you can see that the article is synced. So there are two ways I have shown you, that is by using manually add them and by using an identifier. Now the third one, that is Mendeley Web Importer. What is this? This is a plugin for specific browser. So Mendeley Web Importer is a plugin available for each of your web browser. If you are using Internet Explorer, there is a web importer. If you are using Firefox, there is a web importer. If you are using Chrome, there is a web importer. For any other browser, if you are using like Opera and others, for each of those browsers, you have Mendeley Web Importer. So type it here, Mendeley Web Importer in a Google search, and this page will come. Okay, click on it. Remember, my account is already logged in. Okay, so it does not have any, you don't have to log in again. You have to click this Get Web Importer for Chrome. If you are using Firefox, it will show different information. If you are using other browser, it will show different information. But this link, you can find it here. So where you can find it, just type it in Google, Mendeley Web Importer, and press enter. The first link you will see, you click it, and what you will get this web page, where you can see if you are already logged into your account, it will automatically fetch your account information, and it will see that you are in this account and you want to add this web importer for your browser. Now I am clicking this web importer button, and it will ask that whether you want to add this particular web importer for your browser or not. And since you want, so you add it into this button, add to Chrome or add to Firefox, add to browser, any XYZ browser, add extension, and when you it will check all the required specifications, and when it is added, you can see the Mendeley symbol here. It says that Mendeley Web Importer has been added to your Chrome browser. So for example, now let's look at another article which I want to add. So for example, this one. So if you go to this page, whatever you want to add in your library, click on this extension button. For Mendeley Web Importer is available. So you click on this. At the beginning, if you are not logged into your browser, Mendeley Web Importer, you have to log into your account. Okay, what it's supposed to do is in a drop-down list, when you click a particular article page and you click on this icon, that Mendeley Web Importer, it will show you a drop-down list. It will be much longer, and all the information available here. See, in this page, when I click this page or this particular article, when it is available, you can see all this drop-down list. It is taking time. Mendeley Web Importer is trying to fetch all the bibliographic information, metadata available in this page, and trying to display to you. Same problem goes here. When it works properly, you will see that a lot of information are available. The bibliographic information are available here. You click one, and it will be added to your library. So the next part is upload a PDF. How to do this? Click on this add new. Files from your computer link is available under this add new. And now you click on this. This window will come and say, I want to add one article. Say, for example, this one. Okay, it is a 1.7 MB article, so it will take time. In this Mendeley, a small amount of storage is given for this purpose. 2 GB of information is given to you for storing uploaded documents in your library. So see, this sync button is working, and the document I have uploaded here is which one? Just now, this one, data mapping and querying in NoSQL data warehouse. Okay, so all these articles, see, these dots are available here. That means you have not opened it yet. You have just uploaded. So by this way, you can it can remind you that these documents you have uploaded for reading, but you have not read it yet. You have to open it. So now, for example, if I sort it, then if I click this document, then you see the information. Maybe sometimes at the beginning you will have this notebook when you click any article. Okay, so don't get scared about this. Click on this annotation, you will get annotated information. Click on this info, you will get all the required information. And since the article is loaded into your library, it is available to you. You can click this read button and you can read the article. You can make a note of this. Now make a note of this article by clicking this for particular things. Once you open it, you can find, you can see that this dot is not present here. Now coming to the other feature, that is favorite. If you click on these stars, that means these are the very important documents. These are favorite documents. You want to mark them, so you want to tag them. You can do this, and you can find those favorite articles into this favorite tab. Okay. Next, coming to this my publication. If you have your documents, see, these are my documents published in different journals. So you can see on those references which are on those libraries. If you have your own documents, they can fetch your information and they can show it here that these are your documents, and you can manage them separately. Duplicate documents. If there are duplicate documents, see these two documents uploaded 2 times. Okay, so now if you look at the detail of this, in both places, both documents, the copy of the article is available. So what you can do, you can delete any one of these. How you can delete it? Just by clicking this recycle bin symbol, one document will be deleted. And go to the trash, all these deleted documents here. Either you can delete this permanently or you can restore them to your library again. So these are the list of articles which you have deleted from your library. Collections and groups. There are 2 places to group your articles. The one is called collection, another one is called group. Collection is making these articles as a group for your own purpose, and group is for making a group or a research group who can read these articles, who can work with you on these articles. Okay, so here, for example, I have created one example collection already in this in my account. But if you want to click it, you click here. You see where you have to click it. This new collection, where you have to click for creating another collection. This new collection, the word written in new collection, click on this. Write, for example, my recent collection. Just press enter, it will be created. And if you want to add them, add any article into that, so click it to organize them, add to a collection, click it, it will show you different collections present in your library. So create example, my recent collection like this, and click add. So this article, it is present in all references, it will not move, but it will be grouped as a my recent collection. So if you want to do a specific research on your domain, and you have a lot of articles, and you want to group them first, okay, depending on different topics. So what you can do, you can create your collection and make them or mark them for that particular article. Now can you mark multiple collection for the same article, multiple collection for the same article? So I want to, for example, I want to mark multiple collection for the same article. So I will click this particular, or say more than 2. Okay, more than 2. 3 article I have checked. Click on this organize. Click on this add collection. Select multiple. Okay, so that, see how it helps you to do your research. these kind of things will be very much useful when you are writing a document, when you are writing a book, and when you are writing a research article, especially in case of survey articles, or when you are writing a related work portion. This kind of things can help you. So click add and see in the example, you can see them in the my collection, you can see them. What next? Yeah, group. So for creating a group, you just click on this new group. Similarly to new collection, click on this new group and write my group. Okay, my group 1, and press enter. Your my group will be created. But who are the member of this group? That you have to define next. That is by using the manage group. You can rename the group, you can delete the group, and where you can find these options? You can find these options here. Okay, under this my group, or under your group name, there are 3 dots. Click on this dot, and there are different options: manage group, rename group, delete group. So click on this manage group and see, you can invite 25 up to 25 participants or 25 members into that my group. So what you can do, you can invite them. Okay, pending invitation, there is no. So invite a member, add mail IDs, different mail IDs here, and then send invitation by clicking this send invites. And you click send invite, it will send you the invitations. It will send the invitation to that particular person. Where once it is accepted, it will come to this place. Till then, it will present in this pending invite place. So hopefully it is clear how you can add a member to your group. There is another thing that is called tag. So for example, click on any of these article. So here, in this case, you have different tags. Something like keywords present in the article, but those keywords are given by the author, but these tags will be given by you as a reader. Tag 1, I want to tag more, say for example tag 2, but they have different uses for different users, or different research or additional information which is not present, which is present in that article. If you want to put them as a metadata, then you can add them here. Okay, this is not the same as, this additional information is not same as the notebook. Okay, notebook is specifically written for you for writing a note on your articles. You can create it, you can delete it also by using this delete page. That okay, this how you can create. As I said, that creating this page is very difficult task. However, I have explained that is managing the article, but how you can collect the information, this kind of information from this Mendeley. That is by, if you click, they say for example, I have clicked some of these articles, and here you can see export. Say I want to add 20 articles. Okay, 20 articles from this randomly. It has some meaning for your selection, but here I am selecting it randomly. I have chosen some document. I want to add these 12 references for my next article. So what I can do, I can use this export and click on this BibTeX. Okay, click on this BibTeX, and what it will do, it will download the file. Let me open it. Okay, or better, instead of opening, let me upload it in the overlay. So see, this big file, easily you can upload it. Upload one file, you open it, and see all the informations are here. When you are writing your article, there is bibliography, okay, and there is bibliography style. That what kind of bibliography style you want. That is plain, abbreviation, unshort, alpha, IEEE bib, SCM, okay, SP basic, CM journal. For CM journal, they have their own style. So when you want to, like for in this article, if you look at the references, it is as numbered, right? 79, 80. Now, if you want to use some other format, say alpha, okay, and you include your bibliography file and run it, it will give you the corresponding format. If you look at this, there is a SP basic BST, IEEE BIP BST. If you have a particular BST file, you load into your folder and then use that like this way and run your code. But how to write this code, that is a different and a lengthy process to explain. You can see, if you search Mendeley Office plugin download, okay, you can, I think from here you can download it from the Mendeley. The LibreOffice, MS Office, and Web Importer.